Integra Cove. My name is Alex. I'm a leasing specialist here. I'm going to take you on a tour of our B4 floor plan. It is one of our larger 2 bedrooms. It is incredible. It is super spacious in here. I'm excited to walk you through. We only have a handful of these B4 floor plans, so they're definitely special. Let's go take a look. Thank you so much for coming on a tour with me. You can apply on our website, listed down below. You can also give our offices a call if you want to reserve an apartment home. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.